Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Thursday, the 7th of April. Weather not as cold this morning, and we are talking a summer-like weekend ahead. Let's take a look out the window this morning with some of the Skycam shots. First off, coming from Hamilton, Alabama, up in Marion County. That's the Skycam at Hamilton High School, and that is First Baptist Church of Hamilton. The sky's clear. Over in Haleyville, things are looking good this morning. It's clear and cool. And down in Lee County, there's a look at the campus of Auburn University. Got a big storm gathering strength out west. The big trough will be phasing up out there and things getting unsettled and colder. But around here, a ridge will be pumping up, and that means the weather will be getting warmer in coming days. And, of course, no frost or freeze issues this morning. The colder values are over East Alabama, where the wind is calm. Gadsden, 43. Anniston, 45. Birmingham, one of the warm spots there, sitting at 54. The Shoals, the warmest, at 55. And we are expecting a nice warm-up today with a high in the upper 70s in most spots. There's our watch warning map. Things beginning to light up out west with that big trough. Winter weather and wind issues out there, but the east is pretty quiet. Convective outlook, this is today. Little bitty slight risk area right around Kansas City. Tomorrow, slight risk areas for parts of Oklahoma, North Texas, and north of here around the Ohio River. Look at that on day 3 for Saturday. That's interesting. A slight risk well to the north and to the east from Kentucky and Tennessee down to Georgia and the Carolinas, with an impulse coming down the top of the ridge. But again, with warm air aloft in place here, I think Saturday will be basically just warm and dry. And then on day 4, which is Sunday, into early Monday morning, keep in mind this goes until Monday morning at 7, we've got that risk area down into northwest Alabama. The main area runs from near Shreveport up to Detroit and Milwaukee. And again, whether a risk will extend a little beyond that into Monday morning remains to be seen at this point. QPF chart, not much rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Monday evening, suggesting rain amounts of about 1/10 to 1/4 inch here, and that's about it. And sure enough, that little trailing line of storms Monday morning probably will not generate that much rain, as you'll see. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Big trough phasing up out on the Pacific coast, but around here things will be great. Sunny with a high in the upper 70s. A little bit of moisture way down south near Mobile. Tomorrow, moisture comes back. The humidity will be way up. The dew points rise up into the mid-60s. Highs hit the low 80s. And again, there could be a few scattered showers, but, kind of like a summer day. About a 1 in 4 chance of anybody getting wet. If it rains, won't rain that much. Then Saturday, starting off the weekend, there's your western trough, and accordingly, the downstream ridge pumps up. That 588 ridge over the Gulf noses into Alabama, and that should keep us very warm and dry. The GFS is showing 87 on Saturday. Wow, should be the warmest day so far this year. I mean, it's going to be like late June instead of early April. Sunday, the trough begins to lift out. And still during the day, I think we stay dry. The main surface low is over Kansas, under 1,000 millibars. And again, severe weather will likely erupt in the warm sector out ahead of that. But again, we stay dry Sunday and very warm. The high should stay in the 80s. Sunday night, this is just after midnight. The trough continues moving out. And down below that, the surface low is down to 988 millibars. South of Minneapolis-St. Paul, with a band of storms coming down through Memphis and Monroe, Louisiana. Monday morning at 6 o'clock, the showers and storms ease in here. Seem to be weakening, and that would make sense with the surface low so far north, the core of the energy so far north, and the time of day. And then by early afternoon Monday, the band of storms is off to the east. We'll check the European at the same hour. This is 1 o'clock Monday afternoon. It's a little slower and really a little drier. That's showing what? 1/100th to 5/100ths of an inch of rain with this thing. So it could be that band of storms will kind of die on the vine as they pass through here Monday morning. But we'll monitor things. Hey, this is April. You always have to watch. And then Tuesday of next week, dry as a bone. A little cooler, but still pretty warm. Highs in the well up in the 70s. Same thing Wednesday, mostly sunny with a high close to 80. All right, a week from today, look at that trough coming through here. And that would feature a band of showers and storms, maybe a strong storm there. And again, that's on the 14th. Then Friday the 15th, that's all gone, a week from tomorrow on this run. And the following weekend is race weekend at Talladega. I've learned that NASCAR fans watch this. So there you go. That's the 16th, Saturday. Dry as a bone if this is right. Very comfortable. The high well up in the 70s. And for Sunday the 17th, still dry. So at this moment, race weekend looks good. We'll check the end of the forecast April 22nd. Look at the flat ridge over the deep south, shunning the storm track to the north. And if that's right, that would be pretty warm and pretty dry out there. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.